Hello guys, so back with a new video. So today we are at Mayfair Tea Resort at Siliguri. So here we are at the lobby area of our room's floor. And now we'll take you to our room. That's the standard room of this property where we are staying for the night. Wow, it's a huge room. Let's get in. So here we got two twin beds for us, which is quite big, and as per my view, two people can easily accommodate. And also there is a two-seater sofa with a center table as well, and it has got a huge window as well from where we can see the forest. It's full of green outside and it's raining a bit. And now here there is a big study desk along with a very antique looking mirror. Here is another mirror as well. So most of us who visits to Mayfair properties know this, that they give complimentary tea, coffee along with namkeen snacks, biscuits, and also mini bar which consists of cold drinks and cool water. And now let's get into the most important zone of the stay, that's bathroom, which is also quite big and roomy where you can easily chill. So that's it. Hope you guys like it, and I insist you guys to stay in this property once whenever you visit North Bengal for at least a night, and I feel that you won't feel bad spending this much of amount in this property. They have provided a conducted tour which is also complimentary and included in the package. They'll take us to the tea garden, make us taste the tea, and as well as the freshly baked cookies. And also they have got conducted tours in the vintage cars to the tea gardens. And there are a cinema hall where they air a movie every single day. Like today, it's 1st of August. They have aired Mission Majnu. I'll try to clip in other joints of the property as well, so that you can get an overview how the property is. But this is a genuine review and feedback. It's a brilliant property. You should visit once ever. If you travel to North Bengal, you should stay in this property for at least one night. It's my request to you guys. It's a brilliant property, nothing else to say, and hopefully food and everything will be fine. Overall staff, whoever we meet and give us a service, the bellboy, the receptionist, everyone was very good. So that's it. Thank you for being with us. Do subscribe the channel if you like it, and do share the video to all of your family members and friends. Thank you.